Alright, so before I get started on the free CRX stuff, I want to give a huge shout out to S1Built. They came through immediately and wanted to do the sponsorship for the CRX. So thank you, Soam, thank you, TK, thank you everyone else that was there. Huge to have this thing sponsored right off the bat. I'm super excited to get started on this. So without further ado, I'm going to get started on today. I'm going to actually do a little bit of engine bay prep, take care of some of the rust that I can get a hold of, go ahead and take the fenders off, and I'll probably get up the lift, maybe drop the gas tank while we get it all apart. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started, guys. So the good thing was this was K-swapped at one point anyway when it was a drag car. So it has the welded mount already, which is, you can see it's pretty badly rusted. The brake master cylinder, or the brake portioning valve has been moved out of the way. A few other things have been modified for K, so this is a good starter for turning K because it was K once before. Alright, so the CRX is up on the lift. We got it all taken care of here, just kind of looking around. Dad saw this wheel bearing shot, which no big deal. We gotta address all that stuff anyway. Yeah, looking at it, we're ready to go because you'll see the drive shaft will go right down Main Street down through here. And gotta take the stock gas tank out of it. So I'm fixing to drop that. And then once that's done, you can see where the diff's actually gonna mount back here and where the S1Built will come into play with the new swing arms, new lower control arms, and the diff mount that'll go back here. So that'll all be really awesome to see when they get that stuff sorted out. Let me go ahead and grab my tools. I'm going to grab probably a 12. I'm going to drop this fuel tank. Now just need a Alright, that was off.
thing sharp. Hooray!
The dirt knobber nest inside there. About like so.
Yep.
Another mount across the top, mount to the back.
You gotta cut that out to the back.
Yep.
That mount.
You'll sit. There's a bar that goes across the top that mounts those two top bolts. But the good thing about this chassis is there's no rust, it's not bad at all. You see the coilovers up in there. Well, there you go, let's go. It's kind of a wrap for right now. Just want to get the gas tank out of the way, kind of start prepping a little bit. She's about to be a ripper though, guys. I'll keep you posted on what S1's doing with their new kit, and I'll see you guys real soon. But for now, peace.